Let's continue watching this lesson on complex sentences and observe how the teacher helps students understand the difference between independent and dependent clauses.
So if I can have you take out your handy-dandy little flip book foldable, I'd like you to go ahead and open it up. And the first one that we're going to learn about is called an independent clause. Independent clause. Can you say that with me? Independent clause. Okay, so we know do you know what independent means?
By itself.
Okay, very good. So an independent clause is going to be a complete thought, a sentence that can stand by itself. So I have independent clause. And you guys just gave me the definition right there. So an independent clause has a subject and a predicate, and it is a complete thought. It can stand alone. It makes sense. So let's go ahead and put that down here. So what are we talking about right now? Independent clause. And independent means it can stand by itself. Very good. So it is a complete, we'll go ahead and put that down. It's a complete thought. And I liked how you said it can stand alone, so let's put that in there. Stand alone. And since we are talking about sentences, it has both a subject and a predicate, okay? Okay, so this is one that we're going to be working with today on our sentence strips, and it's an independent clause. So the next one that we're going to be working with is a dependent clause. Can you say dependent? Dependent clause. Okay, dependent clause. So if the independent clause can stand by itself, what do you think a dependent clause is? I'm sorry, a little louder, Jaime?
A sentence that depends. Depends.
Okay, so you're saying it's a sentence that depends on another. No, it was good what you said. Okay, could somebody add to what he thought? Vivian.
It's not a complete thought.
Okay, it's not a complete thought. Very good. And you were right when you said it's not going to be able to make sense on its own. So a dependent clause has both a subject and a predicate. But when you read it on its own, it's not going to make any sense. It's not a complete thought. It's not going to be able to stand by itself. It needs to join an independent clause. And that's where we're going with this. So we've got a dependent clause is not a complete thought. Even though it does have a subject and a predicate, it cannot stand by itself. So this one cannot stand alone. What clause can stand by itself?
Independent.
Very good. What clause cannot stand by itself? It's not going to be dependent. Okay. So do we understand the definition of both of those? Yes. So what we're going to work with today is we need the independent clause, and we're going to join it with a dependent clause to create a complex sentence.